Are you aware that your quality of sleep affects the weight loss result you get? Is there anything else in life more frustrating than having to lie there in bed staring at the ceiling and being unable to fall asleep? Night after night, you try to get some rest, but you can't seem to get or stay asleep. You know you have to sleep, but for some reason, it doesn't happen. There are some steps I'll teach you on how to relieve insomnia that might be able to help you get your much needed rest. Eventually, if all fails, you might have to go see a specialist to help you. But if peradventure one of these steps works, then that expensive trip might be avoided. Tip number 1, be careful what you eat throughout the day. And because a sharp decline or spike in your blood sugar level can disrupt any sleep patterns you might fall into. Try avoiding caffeine the last half of the day. Avoid alcohol in the evening. Yes, alcohol might help you relax and get to sleep, but the quality of that sleep isn't that good, and you stay in a little sleep and you're easily woken up. Tobacco can also have a negative effect on your ability to go into a very deep sleep. Tip number 2, light exercise in the evening. After a sensible dinner, take an evening stroll. This will help you work out tension you might be feeling and helps your body relax. Try doing nothing strenuous, as this might cause your body to get overstimulated. Tip number 3, allow your body the chance to wind down. Avoid the news, avoid getting your mind active. Take your body to a point where your mind and body are moving towards a relaxed state. Take a nice warm bath and then sit back and relax, sipping a nice warm chamomile tea or a glass of milk. 4, set a regular bedtime. If you can put yourself on a routine, your body will respond favorably. Your body loves to be on a consistent schedule. Just make sure that you're able to keep that schedule going over the weekend. Tip number 5, make and keep your bedroom a sleeping chamber. Try to keep everything out of there that might get you stimulated. Try to make it as dark as possible. Take your TV and computer out of the room so that you aren't tempted to use them in any way possible. Keep your work out of the bedroom as well. You have to associate it with just sleep. Tip number 6, empty your brain. There are many ways to do this. The first thing to remember is not to remember anything. Can you do that? Don't think about the day you just had, and don't think about what has to be done tomorrow. Read a boring book. Do a boring crossword or Sudoku puzzle, or count backwards from 100. It may take a lot of planning and changing of behavior to get to the point where you can do these things on a regular basis. But no matter how much you don't want to do some of these things, life can't continue for long if you're not getting the sleep you need. Whatever you have been doing so far obviously isn't working. Try to do something to change your routine, following the steps on how to relieve insomnia, and you might just find yourself getting that very elusive full night's rest. See you in the next video.